Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. For today's video, I'm making a really healthy snack, and who doesn't like a good snack, and especially if it's healthy. And believe me, this one is a perfect contender for our good old popcorn. We are talking here about fox nuts, or also known as lotus seeds, or in Hindi we call them makhanas. Now, to make this snack, we don't need too many ingredients. We only need olive oil, makhanas themselves, salt and pepper, and if you want, you can add some magical turmeric to it. So there you go. They're ready. Took us about 10 to 12 minutes, so not that long. A little bit longer than popcorn, but much more healthier as well. And check out the crunch. You hear that? So I would highly recommend trying this one. I'm sure you'll forget the popcorn after this. All right, we'll catch you later.